Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In this video, we are going to learn about this concept. First, intercept and next, various forms of equations of line. How we can find different forms of equations on line when they give something. Let us see first concept. It is intercepts. Okay, in this we will get two intercepts. What it is? First, it is x-intercept and y-intercept. Let us see what they are. See, let it be x-axis and y-axis, and if we have a line, suppose this is the line, it will meet x-axis at some point, right? Whenever a line meets x-axis at a point, then the distance from origin to this point, we call it as x-intercept. What it is? The distance from origin to the point where the line meets x-axis is called x-intercept. And in the same way, this is x-intercept. And in the same way, where the line meets y-axis, okay, and the distance from origin to the point where the line meets y-axis, and this distance we call it as y-intercept. Okay, and suppose here it touches the x-axis at 2 comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma 3. Now what is the distance here? In order to find the distance, we can see x coordinate of point on x-axis. So here x-intercept of this line is 2 and y-intercept is 3. From here to here it is 3 units. And what if this line meets in negative sides? Let us see what it. See, suppose line meets x-axis in this side. Okay, this is the line and it meets x-axis here minus 2 comma 0. Then what is the x-intercept? See, as I told, it is nothing but the distance, but distance won't be negative. But here we have to consider the sign as it indicates in which direction it meets. Suppose it meets this side, then we can tell why x-intercept is 2. It indicates it meets at point 2 comma 0 in the positive direction of x-axis. And here in this line, x-intercept is minus 2. This indicates it means it is a 2 distance, it is a 2 units distance from the origin in the negative direction of x-axis. In the same way, if the line meets here, y-axis at 0 comma minus 3, then also this is the y-intercept. Y-intercept of this line is minus 3 as it means it is at a distance of 3 units from the origin in the negative direction. So here minus negative sign indicates it is in the negative direction but not distance. Okay, negative direction, 3 units in the negative direction from the origin, like that. But here definition is nothing but x-intercept and y-intercepts are the distance from the origin, whereas the sign indicates the direction, whether it is in the positive direction or negative direction. Clear? So let us see an example for this one. Line meets x-axis at point 3 comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma minus 5. What are the x-intercepts and y-intercepts? See, what will you get? X-intercept means distance, or you can take it touches x-axis at 3 comma 0 as y coordinate is 0. This is the point on x-axis, right? So x-intercept is nothing but x coordinate of that point. In the same way, it meets y-axis at 0 comma minus 5. So y coordinate of this point will be the y-intercept. Therefore, this is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. I think it's clear with intercept. Next, we will see how we can find equation of any line if you know something. Okay, in that first condition, how we can find the equation of line when we know slope and x y intercept, slope and y intercept, but we call it as slope intercept form. What it is? Slope intercept form. How we can find here? In this, intercept is nothing but y intercept. This we have to keep it in mind. It is y intercept. Suppose a slope of line is m and y intercept is c. We will denote y intercept is c generally. Okay. How we can find the equation of line? Let us see. I am taking this line like this. Okay. Line is like this. Suppose the required line is like this, and here it makes an angle theta. Suppose inclination. Now I want to find the equation of this line. Okay, equation is nothing but I want to derive an equation in x and y how the points are, and I know the y intercept is c is nothing but it meets y axis at 0 comma c. That's all right. Now I am taking any point on this line. Let it be x comma y. I don't know point. Let it be x comma y. Now from here to here, what is the distance? This total distance is y, and from here to here the distance is c. So if I draw a right angle triangle here, this distance is nothing but y minus c. The only distance from here to this point, the distance is y minus c, right? This total distance is y, and in that this distance is c, and you know this is intercept, nothing but touches at 0 comma c. So this is intercept, sorry, this distance is c. So the distance from here to here it is y minus c, and these two are parallel, right? So here also I will get the angle as theta. And what is the distance from here to here? This point is x comma y. So from here to here the distance is x. So this is also x. Now I know theta. Now if I find slope, what will you get? Or else tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So y minus c is opposite side and adjacent side is x. So what will you get? Tan theta is nothing but slope. Already we know slope. So m is equal to y minus c by x. So if we substitute here, multiply, what will you get? Mx is equal to y minus c. So y is equal to mx plus c. This is the slope intercept form of a line. You don't want to learn all the derivation of this one. Suppose if they give, find the equation of a line with slope 3 and y intercept 2, then the equation will be this is slope and this is y intercept. Then how to find the equation of line means just take, we know slope and y intercept. So we have to use slope intercept form. This is nothing but the slope intercept form of the line is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. Here slope is 3, so m in 3 into x, it is 3x, plus c is y intercept, it is 2. So this is the equation of line with slope 3 and y intercept 2. Like this we have to find the equation of any line if you know slope and y intercept. In the same way, let us see how to find equation of line if I know slope and point. That we call it as slope point formula. Sorry, slope point form. Let us see what it is. Slope point form or else point slope form. Slope point form or point slope form. See, in the same way again, I am taking coordinate axis, one line, and this angle is theta. Okay, and I know a point. Suppose this point they give x1, y1. Let it be one point. And again same, I am taking one more point here. Let it be x comma y. Okay, why? I have to derive how these points will be. So I have to derive an equation in x and y. So this total distance will be as it is y. This total distance is y, and here it is y1. So it is y1. So from if I draw a right angle triangle here, this will be total y minus y1. In the same way, up to here it is x1 and total is x. So this distance is x minus x1, and here the angle is theta, right? In the same way, If I derive tan theta, what will get? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is the adjacent side. So m is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. So what will get? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is the point slope form or slope point form of an equation of line. How to find equation of line when we know slope and one point? See, let us take an example now. Find the equation of line if the slope is 2 and it passes through the point minus 1 comma 5. It passes through the point minus 1 comma 5. That means I know slope and one point. So what I have to use? I have to use point slope form or slope point form. We know that slope point form is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, where x1 y1 is a point, right? So instead of x1 y1, what I have to substitute? Point. So y minus, what is y1? 5 is equal to slope is 2. 2 into x minus x1 is minus 1. So what I will get? Y minus 5 is equal to 2 into x, 2x plus 1. So it is 2x plus 2. So we will get 2x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. This is the equation of line which passes through the point minus 1 comma 5 and having the slope 2. Clear? In the same way, if we know 2 points, how we can find? If we know 2 points is nothing but we don't know the slope, right? And can we find slope when we know 2 points? We can find the slope, right? So how we can find the slope? Slope is nothing but m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Like this we can find slope, right? So instead of writing slope directly, we will find the slope as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the equation. This is how we have to find equation of line whenever we know 2 points. Instead of writing the equation like this, first we will find the slope and we will use the point slope form. With any point, you can take point and you can use the slope, so that we will get point slope form. In the same way, let us see final. If we know 2 intercept, see how we can find equation of line if we know both the intercepts. What are they? X intercept and y intercept, right? So 2 intercept form. Let A be x intercept and B be y intercept. And now how we have to find the equation of line? See, A is x intercept means what? This line meet x axis at a comma 0 and y axis at 0 comma b. As b is y intercept, the distance from origin to that point is b. So it is 0 comma b and 0. Now I know 2 points, right? How to find? I know 2 points, and how to find the equation of line? Nothing but y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. In this, m is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what is slope here? Y2, b minus 0 it is b by x2 minus x1, 0 minus it is minus a. So minus b by a is the slope. So y minus y1, I will take any one point. Suppose this is one point. So in that b is 0. So y1 is b and m is minus b by a into x minus x1. X minus, in this point only you have to take. This is x1 and this is y1, or else you can take this one, any one only. So you will get 0. So what will you get? Y minus b equal to minus b into x by a, right? Minus bx by a. On cross multiplication, what will you get? Or else I will send this side. Y plus bx by a equal to b. Okay. So I will take LCM. What I will get? Ay plus bx by a is equal to b. From this I will write. See, I am writing it here. I will write a first. Bx plus ay equal to multiplication ab, and better remembering what I have to do, I will change this side. So what I will get? Bx by ab plus ay by ab equal to 1. So I will get x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is how we have to, by using this we can find the equation of line when we know x intercept and y intercept. See an example for this one. Find the equation of line where having x intercept as 2 and y intercept as minus 2. How we can find? See, nothing but what you have to do, x intercept is denoted with a and y intercept with b. So, x by 2 plus y by minus 2 equal to 1. As we know, two intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So, what LCM is to, here we will get minus, right? Instead of writing another step, I wrote there only. So x minus y by 2 is equal to 1. So x minus y is equal to 2. This is the equation of line having x intercept 2 and y intercept minus 2. This is how we have to find different types, equation of line when we know different way, what we call combinations. Like first one, slope and y intercept. Next, one point and slope. Next, 2 points when we know 2 points, and last one when we know two intercepts. Is clear? Thank you.